Ow. Ow, that hurt. Hi guys, it's Luna and I am here looking all busted because I'm coming at you with a makeup tutorial. I already started off with my eyebrows and I already what's it called? Did my eyelids, like prep them. I'm gonna start off with eyes. So I'm actually not sure what I'm gonna do with my eyes, but I do want it to be like summery. Maybe have some orange, yellow. And I literally just woke up like 20 minutes ago and I was like, I really want to film a video, but like I was like, but what? And I was like, you know what, I'll do a makeup tutorial video thing, look. So here I am. I ended up being basic but with colors, so that makes it better. All right, so I'm first taking this color, which is like a mustard yellow, from the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. I'm packing it on with this Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm putting it right here. And I'm using like mostly circle motion. Those are my like the circle motion is my favorite to work with eyeshadows when it comes to like blending it and placing. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Alright, so now that I think that's like yellow enough for now, because either way I go in with yellow later on to make it a bit stand out a little bit more. Now I'm going to be taking this purple. It's like a purple magenta. And I'm going to be placing that like in the same place as I did with the yellow, but like just a tiny bit lower. And now I will be going with the purple, with the dark purple in the palette. This one right here. And I'm placing that like basically in the same place, just again a bit lower than the last color I placed. Okay, now I'm gonna do is take the yellow I used before, the mustard one, and I'm going back with it right on these areas. So now I'm gonna be using the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Custard to cut the crease. This is literally the best concealer for me, and when it comes to cleaning your eyebrows, prepping your eyelids, and what I'm about to do now, which is cut the crease. But I'm not completely cutting the crease, I'm just doing like the halo thing. So the trick I've learned, if you have small eyes, it's like when you place it like that, then you just look up and you see if it marked anywhere, and if it did mark, which it did, which you guys can barely see, but right here it marked, so that means I need to do the cutting right there, or else, because if I did it lower and then when I open my eyes and all this stuff and close them repeatedly, since I do have small eyes and they're hooded, then it would just transfer and like look ugly. So that's why you need to do the trick. Now I'm going back into the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. I'm taking the same dark purple used before. And I'm taking a small detail brush. Oh shoot. From I don't know what brand, but yes, it's a small detail brush. And I'm just taking that and I'm placing that on the outer corners. Okay, now I'm taking the mustard yellow with the same detail brush, and I'm placing it right here. And I'm going over the purple right here because it kind of got messed up with the yellow. Okay, now I'm going with the Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette. The best highlighting palette I've ever owned. Is it? It's not really. It's like all focusing, but basically, I'm using the shade Kitty Cat on the middle part of my eye, and I'm using this very small Real Techniques detail brush. Oh, it's called an accent brush. Okay. I'm using that. Now I am partially finished with my eyes, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply eyelashes. I will be using this. I was about to say the shade. I'm gonna be using the style Little Black Dress from the Couture lashes, and I already cut these to my size and all that stuff. And for glue, I'm using the Custard Lash Adhesive with Aloe. Now I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer on my face because my face has been really like dry. Yeah, this is how I apply it. Now I'm taking the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Foundation in the shade for 2.4, yeah. And I'm taking this e.l.f. blending brush to blend my foundation with, since I also forgot my beauty sponge in my room. And I usually take about 3 to 4 pumps of this. Alright, now that the foundation is done, I'm going to go ahead and take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C7. Now I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Mocha, and I shall be using this to contour. I'm actually scared of how my hair is going to look when I bring it down because it's been in a bun since yesterday, because yesterday I took a shower and I put it in a bun, and then I kept it in a bun until present time. I shall be taking, what shall I be taking? I shall be taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Is it even a palette? Well, yeah, it's a palette, but yeah. Oh yeah, Shade and Light Contour palette. Okay, so I'm taking the shade Lyric and Shadow Play, and I'm putting that on my face. Now for, what should I do next? Should I do eyeshadow first or blush next? You know, I'm just gonna finish off with the eyes. I'm gonna be taking this Eco Tools detail brush. What color should I take? I'm gonna be taking the yellow. Hopefully this works. And the magenta purple. now for the inner corner. Oh my gosh, my eyes are like, ooh, why are they like cool? Okay, so now I'm taking the Nicole Guerrero palette, and we're taking this small detail brush from Real Techniques, and I'm taking Kitty Cat again, and this time I'm applying it right here. Now I'm taking the Sephora Colorful Hot Flush blush. Now I should be taking this brush. I don't know where it came from. Oh, it came from Ross, but I don't know what brand or kit it came from. That looks funny. Oh damn.
Really funny.
So I'm gonna be taking this Watermelon Color Icon bronzer in the shape Bikini Contest. Something I shall never do. I think the last thing I have to do is highlight. So I shall do that right now. I am taking wait, actually first I'm taking the Smashbox primer water. And now I will apply Kitty Cat from the Nicole Guerrero palette with this brush. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Do I love her or do I love her? Freaking highlight makes me like, you know, feel myself. Okay, I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Staunch matte lipstick. She is a caillou. If you guys recreate this, make sure to tag me in it. I will have my social media links below, and yeah. Time to bring the hair down. Ooh. Wow, great, gorgeous. I'll have a whole bunch of bobby pins in the back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more videos. I plan on doing covers. If I remember correctly, I deleted all the ones I already had on my channel, but I shall be making more covers. And I'm also have some secrets that are gonna come out. And yeah, you guys should like subscribe and like, you know, give this video a thumbs up.